call it Ramadan. What is it?
Ramadan, what is this?
Hmm?
Ramadan, tell me.
It's a big church for Indians, for Ethiopians.
Ramadan is big church for Indians.
I think so. I don't know.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته وصاحبكينا كناجي ayaa halkan idin salaamaya fadlan haddaad ku cusub tahay youtube-keena fadlan sii subscribe oo halkaa hoose waana free haddaad horu joogtana comedy like share maalmaha waa la kala mashquulay ramadaan waa gabagabo ciid mubaarak ilaahay soonkeena iyo cibaadada ramadaantii ilaah naga aqbalo dhammaantiinaba marka maanta waxaan hayaa muuqaal yar oo gaaban marka muuqaalka idin haya maanta waxaa weeye muuqaal iska qosolna maahan waa iska caadi marka waa maxay ramadaan waxaa waaye dadkan la joogno maxaa la dhahaa South Africaanka weydiiyo ma ramadaan horta khasab maaha cibno maahan garan maayaan magaca ramadaan sababtoo ah muslim maaha meel muslim joogana muslimna kuma badna marka waarkeena waxay dhahaan so question is what's Ramadan? What is Ramadan? So let's go ask some people. Let's go. You don't know anything about only Ramadan, for about Muslim fasting for all month.
No.
You never heard of it, Ramadan. All your life.
Yeah,
like people are fasting for all day, 5 to 5.
I forgot it. Ramadan. What is it?
Ramadan, what is this?
Hmm?
Ramadan, tell me.
It's a big church for Indians, for Ethiopians.
Ramadan is big church for Indians.
I think so. I don't know.
Look at this. Ramadan, what's the Ramadan? What is the Ramadan?
I don't know.
and you all if you serious. You know.
I don't know.
You don't know Ramadan.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, I know Ramadan.
Okay, what's Ramadan?
Ramadan, it's a period of Indian where they fasting, not eating food.
Indians.
Indians, yeah.
Indians only.
Oh, only the, what do they call the, what that,
What?
I forget the name on,
Islam.
Islam, yeah, Islam, only Islam people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ay, Savannah Boot.
Yeah, but
what is the Ramadan?
yes, hear me.
You don't know Ramadan? Kulu magash.
I don't know.
Okay, what do you think Ramadan? It's like Ramadan is fasting for 1 month straight for Muslims.
I don't know.
You don't know Ramadan? Hola, how are you, my friend?
I'm fine, and you?
What's the Ramadan?
What?
Ramadan.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know what Ramadan is? Easter. You know what Easter is?
Easter, yeah.
Oh. But Ramadan you don't know.
I don't.
Hey Frank,
Yes,
what's Ramadan?
Ramadan is fasting.
Fasting of what?
Fasting to make it to Allah,
Uh-huh.
to pray
Uh-huh.
to Allah. Yes,
For long what?
it's going now to
Ramadan.
Ramadan.
Yeah. What's that? What's Ramadan?
Ramadan is fasting
Uh-huh. For how many days?
for 30 days.
For 30 days.